Well, yeah, guys, it has some big allegations. One of those says a suspect, Tiffany Adams, used her position on a Cimarron County hospital board to falsify records. Another allegation says she even threatened a judge that was overseeing the custody battle of her grandchildren. In a new lawsuit filed this week, Veronica Butler's mother makes several big claims. One of those says that Tiffany Adams used her position on a Cimarron County hospital board to get custody of her grandchildren, Veronica Butler's own children. The court documents say, quote, Adams stated to the board that Veronica repeatedly exposed the children to her brother, whom Adams falsely alleged had sexually assaulted them. They go on to say, quote, Adams falsified hospital records and submitted them as evidence to the court for the purposes of manipulating the proceedings as part of a scheme to gain full custody and control of the children. We spoke with Veronica's aunt, LaDonna, last year.
Her kids were her world. Her kids were her life. Everything she did was for her kids.
The wrongful death suit also claims Tiffany Adams' son, Veronica's ex, was awarded full custody of the kids based on the false records and statements from Adams in December of 2022. But later on, Adams, quote, unilaterally took custody of the children from her son, purportedly due to his legal and substance abuse issues and/or his unwillingness to adhere to Adams' demands.
She wanted her gone so that she could raise her grandchildren. And the only way to do that was to eliminate her.
Fast forward to February 2024. The lawsuit claims Adams started making threats against a Cimarron County judge that was overseeing the custody battle, and that judge was put under police protection. The documents say, quote, Adams made specific statements about knowing where the judge resided and the path she walked to work. Now, all that is just part of the 32-page lawsuit. There's also allegations on how they carried out the murder of Veronica and Jillian Kelly, and a claim that Adams wanted to indoctrinate Veronica's kids into Adams' group known as God's Misfits. Veronica Butler's family just celebrated her life over the weekend, and it would have been her 28th birthday.